Good morning, Hong Kong. Welcome back to another episode of Hong Kong Insurance 101. Hong Kong boasts exceptional healthcare services that offers both public and private systems. And just as there are many different options with regards to your medical treatment in Hong Kong, when it comes to protecting yourself from the cost of care, you also have a wide range of choices available. One thing that should be noted is that health insurance isn't a necessity in Hong Kong. The government offers an extremely high level of care to all patients attending any of the city's publicly run medical facilities. This care is offered at a very low price point. In fact, for residents of Hong Kong who come from almost any other country in the world, the cost of care at a public hospital like Queen Mary or the Prince of Wales could almost be considered cheap. Because of the simple fact that residents have access to the public healthcare system in the city, a health insurance policy isn't a critical purchasing situation like it might be in a place like the United States of America. Instead, health insurance in Hong Kong is almost an optional luxury that is entirely up to you to decide whether you want to purchase. But if you decide that you do want to take out a health insurance plan, then there are a surprising number of options in front of you. As an international city, it may come as no surprise to learn that there are actually two very distinct types of health insurance available for purchase in our city. The first type is going to be any policies that are underwritten by a local Hong Kong insurance provider. We're going to call these Hong Kong health insurance plans. In contrast to Hong Kong health insurance options, sit the policies and products offered by international insurance providers. Consequently, we'll call these international health insurance plans. The major difference between Hong Kong and international health insurance options is normally found in the coverage area offered by the policy. As you may assume, Hong Kong plans generally are much more limited in their geographical area of coverage compared to an international policy. This is simply because an international health insurance plan can offer coverage anywhere in the world, providing true global protection against your cost of healthcare anywhere on the planet. Hong Kong health insurance plans tend to be far more focused and restricted in their coverage to healthcare costs that occur only in Hong Kong. Although the geographical coverage area is the first and most obvious area of difference between these two types of policy, the second major difference is going to be seen in how the premiums are calculated. A majority of international health insurance products will have premiums calculated on a community basis. This means that anybody who is the same age, with the same policy, and the same coverage area will pay, ideally, the same premium. The policyholder's individual medical history is not normally going to factor into the amount that they are paying for coverage under an international health insurance plan. Neither will any claims made under the policy at renewal. International health insurance policy premiums will increase, but only due to the overall rise in medical costs, which currently sits at about 10% per year, and because of your increased age on the plan, as older people are more likely to experience healthcare costs than younger individuals. However, Hong Kong health insurance products tend to be history or claims rated. This means that the policyholder's medical history under the plan will be taken into account on renewal. If any major claims have been made, realistically, that individual can expect their premium to increase. Because many Hong Kong health insurance policies are history rated, they often look like an attractive proposition on first purchase. This is because the policyholder has no claims history under the plan, and the premium is going to be associated with the community as long as no claims are made. That is to say, as long as no healthcare treatment is sought, then the premium associated with a Hong Kong health insurance policy will remain steady, only increasing with age and medical inflation. Any claims made under that policy will now factor into the premium at renewal. It is important to understand the key differences between these two types of policy when looking at your health insurance in Hong Kong. And whilst these are some of the biggest differences, there's a lot of minutia in between these two types of plan. Failing to understand which type of health insurance you've purchased in Hong Kong could leave you with unforeseen gaps in your coverage. That's us for this week. As always, we hope you have a happy and healthy weekend. Remember to like and subscribe to stay current with all our content as it comes out. And don't forget to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.